What's up guys, I'm Bob and this is a Sue Buggy. Today we're going to be installing the brand new RRW bumpers for the first gen Crosstrek. So basically what we've done is we've already taken out the bumper. It's really easy to get in there. It's easier on my car because the bumper's already cut. So what we're gonna do is we've laid this tape on here and we're going to just cut it along the line and then put the bumper up. And hopefully that'll give us enough space to line everything up and then draw the true line that we're actually going to leave the bumper cut at. Alright you guys, that's it. This is the final product. If you like what you see, you can head on over to RelationRaceWheels.com, get yourself a set of these, and I'll catch you guys on the trail. Thanks for watching.